Hi friends, it's Jessie here. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. For today's video, I'm going to be sharing a 2-for-1 FabFitFun unboxing. I am so excited. This is the winter box. It was time for me to renew my membership, and I was kind of going back and forth between whether I wanted to do it for another year or not. I decided I was going to cancel, and when I did that, they actually offered me a free box if I signed back up. So not only did I get the winter box that I wanted, but I also got a second one, and I couldn't resist that deal. You guys know I'm a sucker for a good deal. So I have 2 FabFitFun boxes to share with you today. One that I picked out everything in it, and a second one that they chose the items to go inside. So I'm not going to make this too long. If you are not familiar with FabFitFun, it is a subscription service, sort of a lifestyle subscription. It comes on a quarterly basis. You can go in and choose from a myriad of items and decide what you want in your box. So I'm just going to share with you 2 quick FabFitFun unboxings in this video. Starting with this one here. I'm not sure if this is the one that I picked or if this is the surprise one. We'll see together. So here is the box. It's very heavy. I'm just going to go ahead and open it up and share with you what is inside. And of course it's taped. Okay, so looking inside here, this is actually the box full of items that they chose for me. And I gotta tell you guys, these items look better than the ones that I picked out. So I think this is actually going to be worth my while to have done this. Starting with the very first item I have here, it is by Bushwick Kitchen and Short Stories. It is a honey pot and dipper, which is not something I would ever have purchased or chosen for myself, but let's take a look at it. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. So it's just a little ceramic dish with a lid. It says honey on it, and here inside the box there's the little dipper that goes with it. So you can just fill this up with honey to use for tea or oatmeal or whatever. Very cute. Again, not something I would purchase for myself. This would make a great gift for someone. But yeah, very, very cute. So that's the first item. Next, for another little household item, this is the Rock Your Body Mini Round Ceramic Cocotte Set. Not sure what that is, but I'm sure it's some sort of kitchen appliance here. Oh yeah, these are little like crocs. How cute. So it's a set of 2 little mini crocs. And again, I could see like baking oatmeal in this. So this is the first one. Very cute. Again, not something I would purchase for myself necessarily. But adorable. So it comes with a white one. And the second one in the little set is green. So I'm definitely going to add these to my kitchen as well. I love that the items that I got in my little extra box here are not necessarily items I would have chosen for myself, but they do seem very, very nice. And I almost dropped it, so thankfully we did not break it this time. Let me get these put right back in here so that I can avoid breaking it in the future here. So we got 2 little kitchen items, and that's one of the things that I really like about the FabFitFun subscription is that you not only get like beauty items, but you also have a lot of home and lifestyle products that you can choose from as well. The next item in the box is a little set of shampoo and conditioner, and these are by Olaplex, which is a really nice like luxury brand. I have used Olaplex products in the past, but I've never tried this. This is their Bond Maintenance Clarifying Shampoo and their Bond Maintenance Conditioner. I believe I've tried the conditioner before, but I've never tried this specific shampoo. It is Olaplex number 4C, so the clarifying version of their shampoo. I need shampoo and conditioner like I need a hole in my head. I have so many right now, but I can definitely pass these along as a gift, or I can just keep them in my stash for a later time. Next up here is a product from Patchology. These are the Flash Patch Rejuvenating Eye Gels with caffeine, hydrolyzed collagen, and hyaluronic acid. I love a good under eye patch, so I'm very excited to see these. And Patchology is a brand I've heard really good things about. So there we go. That's going to definitely come in handy for my evening skincare routine. Speaking of skincare, the other two items in my box here are skincare items as well. This is the Ahava Mineral Radiance Cleansing Gel. Always in need of a good facial cleanser. The one that I'm using right now is by Osea. I think that's how you say it, or OC. It came from a previous FabFitFun box, so I've really been discovering a lot of great brands and products from this FabFitFun subscription. And the other thing here is a Cookies and Clean Detox Face Mask from Fenty Skin. So I got some skincare products and some kitchen products. Very exciting. This is a great box, especially considering I didn't get to choose any of these items. I am really, really excited about this. Now let's get into the box with the items that I actually chose. All right, and here we have box number 2. This one feels significantly lighter. Let's get into it. So the first item is a scarf by the brand Barefoot Dreams. I've heard about this brand a lot over the years. They're famous for their super soft blankets. They're very pricey. So I've never bit the bullet and purchased a blanket. I have a zillion blankets. But this is actually a scarf. And it does feel quite soft. It is in this really pretty gray color. I live in Southeast Michigan where it gets real cold in the wintertime, and I don't right now have a scarf. So this will match my black winter coat very nicely, will help keep me warm. It's very soft, feels very nice. Definitely a practical item that I am excited to use this winter. Next up, another practical item. This is a set of beauty sponges from Wander Beauty. So I got this because I'm constantly going through my little powder puffs and sponges, and I thought that having some replacements would be nice. I've never tried these ones from Wander Beauty before, but it's a little beauty sponge ornament, and it comes with a couple little triangular powder puffs and a couple of little beauty blender style sponges. I don't know if you can see those in there. There's also a little thing inside to help you clean them between uses, which I thought was nice. I don't know, I just thought this was really practical, something I could definitely use for my beauty routine. Speaking of my beauty routine, I saw this and I could not resist. This is a little Too Faced eyeshadow palette. I have not been wearing a lot of eyeshadow as of late. I used to be absolutely obsessed with eyeshadow and collected like all of the eyeshadow palettes back in the day, but it's been a while since I had a new one. This is so cute. It's in a little metal tin that looks like a video game. It's the Too Faced Let's Play palette, and it comes with so many really beautiful, like rosy colored eyeshadows that I thought would be very nice for the holiday season. So I got that. Some more beauty products. I got the eyeliner pencil from Pat McGrath Labs, which is not a brand that I'm familiar with at all, but you can never have too many eyeliner pencils. And this particular one is in black. It is the Permagel Ultra Glide Eye Pencil, and it comes with a little sharpener in there, so that will come in very handy. Again, a very practical item. Also picked out this Dibs Glossy Balm, so it's like a lip gloss balm. And again, seems like a really practical, nice moisturizing lip product. This one is in the color Effortless Pink. It's just a really nice little lip gloss. So I will definitely get use out of that. And last but not least, I picked out an item that is not something I would normally pick for myself, but I was intrigued by it. It is from the brand Open Spaces, and it's a little cookbook holder. I thought this would be really nice for displaying a cookbook on my counter in my kitchen. It'll go really nicely with the kitchen items that came in the other box. And this is just like a wooden, very like lightweight thing. It's not super fancy or anything. I just thought, again, it could be practical for displaying and holding my cookbooks. I'm not going to pull the whole thing out and set it up, and I will just show you what it looks like. It's just a natural wood color, very, very simple. So that's it, you guys. That is a quick look at 2 of the winter boxes from FabFitFun. I will link FabFitFun down below if you're interested in getting your own seasonal membership. I think if you use my link, I get a little bit of a kickback. You might get a little bit of a discount as well. I'm not affiliated with FabFitFun. Anybody who joins their membership gets a code to share with their friends. So check it out down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.